Hello YouTube, welcome to HTS, welcome to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers who have ran by my channel. Hit the subscribe button, and if this is your first time here, on this channel I teach a lot of how to make landing pages, how to potentially make money online. You have to put your links out there. I like to say that all the time, because if anybody ever tells you get rich quick overnight, it's most likely not true. So I just wanted to put that out there. And on this video, I want to do a little something different. So stay till the end of this video, because this is going to really help you out. So the road to success is often a lonely one. And sometimes that's how it could be, because a lot of people will not understand you. So if you're building your online business, nobody knows you, and you're trying to get your stuff out there, it's kind of hard. So you got to kind of, and I got a few other videos here that I'll put at the end of this video, that so you could kind of learn how social media and just the internet marketing world works, and you just kind of got to get on different channels. So, but yeah, I'll explain that later. So I'm going to get started here in a little bit. A while back, I made this video right here on findaforum.net. And to be, I just want to say that I do not promote or do not make any money off of these videos. I just want to make things easier for you guys out there who are just getting started, or you're planning on just trying to amp up your traffic, and there's ways to do that. So I made this video right there on findaforum.net, and it did pretty good. It did pretty good. I got a lot of views on it, and the owner of it must have seen it, because he sent me an email talking to me about findaforum.net's sister. So let me introduce the sister right here, and I'm going to open this up for you. It's called Find a Blog, and I'm going to run you through this on the home, about, categories, and so on. So if you go here, and the reason I'm showing you this right now, I'm not going to dig into specific blogs for traffic. I'm going to make other videos on that. So at the end of this video, if you do like it, if you do think that this might be helpful to you, and you want to stay for future videos on Find a Blog and Find a Net, I'm going to be making videos. I'm going to test them first to see how they do, and then I'll be making videos on how to use them as traffic. So you can hit the subscribe button and get the notifications, hit the bell right below, and you will get those. But as for now, I'm just going to kind of show you this, because many will come here and they'll go to SimilarWeb, and it's going to say, sorry, but there's lack of sufficient data, and it's not that good of a place. But let me get into this here. This is the guy right here. He's the guy who, either him or somebody on his team, sent me an email talking to me about this this website. So let's go right here on about. You could go in here, you could go to the home page. This is the home page, has all this. Click over here, or just depending on what specific niche you're working in, you could pick that niche and just see how you can market to that. I'm going to be looking for those for you guys here soon. I'm going to be making more videos. Some of you know out there that I have mentioned in my other videos before that I buy houses, I do real estate. So if you need to sell your house and don't want to hire a realtor, go ahead and reach out to me, and I could help you in the USA. So I work in the USA. So we're going to go to categories, which is your niche, right? You want computer, internet, diet and weight loss, cooking, make money online, pets, travel, relationships, vehicles, and sports. And right here, you could browse other categories. Right here, you could explore blogs. Right here, give you your top blogs, top themes, biggest blogs, new blogs, latest blogs, and unreliable blogs. So you don't waste your time. Blogging data, random blog. So for this example, I'm going to, let me just click on top blogs. See what that brings up. And right here, it'll give you the 33 hot new niches for 2021. So you could click there and get all those. Find a blog just hit 10K blogs, and then you could go over here and kind of, I just watched this video a little bit ago. I'm not going to show it right here. If you want to swing by and watch it, It is kind of like 20 minutes, but it talks about spying on other blogs and getting their keywords and all that. So let's go right here to, let me check this one out, D Magazine. We all know magazines are big. It's going to give you all the information, daily sources for best restaurants in Dallas, recommended for things to do. Okay, so I'm assuming this is in Dallas, and it's going to let you know their domain registry is through Namecheap. It's going to give you a lot of keywords right here, so you could, you could always, if you're in Dallas or let's say real estate, man, whatever, copy all these, copy and paste them into a notepad. They might come along later, might come in handy. So there's so many things you could do here, but I want to go directly to that blog and visit it to see if it's worth, if it gets traffic. If a blog does not get traffic, then it's kind of like, okay, maybe come back later. Keep it in mind. So I do not know how to advertise on here yet. Like I said, I will be making more videos along, so stick around because I will be making those videos. If they don't work, I will not make a video on it, but I think to advertise, as usual, you go down to the bottom, you could contact them. But a lot of us want, sometimes we want free traffic, but you know what? Let's see if it's worth our time. Let's see if it has similar web stats, and it does. It does. It gets monthly visits. That's almost a million. Almost a million. It's 50K, but it gets a lot. Let's see where it's coming from. United States, Canada, United Kingdom, India, Brazil. As you can see, there's potential there. This blog is getting a lot of traffic, so that might be one you want to star, save it, go back to it. You could figure some of this out if you like. Like I said, I'm going to be making some of those videos here as soon as I can. So let's check out something else here. Those were the top 5 blogs. Let's see what the biggest blogs are. So explore blogs, biggest blogs. You can get the top themes too. A lot of these blogs are mostly WordPress, and I'm going to show you how you could submit your own blog in here as well if you feel that your content is good. So wine enthusiasts, these are the biggest blogs, I assume. D Magazine, global travel. So you're into the traveling niche, that might come helpful for you. Or you're selling, once this pandemic's over, of course. But the truth about cars, you're into sports. Let's see, for example, how much this makes. How much traffic NBC Sports gets. And I'm pretty sure they like advertising. A lot of these blogs, they want you to ask them at least if you could advertise. Same thing with the forums. And I'm going to be putting the link to that video of mine that I made on the forums in the description below and in the cards. So stick around for that. Make it easier for you just to click it and it's there for you. So, wow. NBCsports.com. I mean, maybe if you're selling stuff in the sports niche, golf stuff maybe. I mean, look, 57 million monthly visits. That's a lot. It's coming United States, Canada, UK, Philippines, Australia. Those are some good countries there. So there's potential here. There's a lot of potential on that you could get from find a blog. I can't talk right sometimes. I need a drink. So, and you just kind of keep exploring. But I want to try to make this easy as possible because I want to get into here and start digging in so I could so we could all get traffic. Of course, they're getting traffic. We want to know how. Is there a way to get it for free, or is there a way to get it where we have to pay for advertising? Not sure yet, but we're going to figure that out later. So, to submit a blog, let's see how we could submit a blog. Let's go back to the home page. Right here, submit a blog. Boom. Right there under about. So, want to find long tail keywords. This awesome keyword tool will find phrases like how does buy to rent scheme work and how to build small niche website. So, If you're looking to submit a website, I'm guessing you just put your blog URL, your niche. It's optional. Submit blog, and they have guidelines right here. So you got guidelines. Free spam. Okay, they don't want nothing out of our that's inappropriate. You know what I mean? No, nothing inappropriate for the audience and stuff. So right there, you could post your blog. Of course, they're going to probably review your blog to make sure it's up to their guidelines here. So it must be either. Oh, right there, you got to understand. Right there, it has to be WordPress or Blogger. So you could use Blogger as a blogging platform. That's pretty cool because Blogger is free. So this site must specify guidelines. Okay. WordPress, Blogger, Blogspot.com, or free hosting accounts. Yeah, so all you got to do is read this right here, and wow, you could do it for free if you use Blogger. That's pretty cool. So you could put your content on here for, if everything's for free, you do it the right way. A lot of potential here. So let's go to latest blogs. Top hashtags. I use this all the time. For my hashtags when I do an Instagram post or a TikTok. Yeah, top hashtags. And okay, they do got advertising right here. 360K monthly visits. I mean, you could use top hashtags, I guess. I mean, you make your what will work if you're using weight loss products for. Just always remember, narrow down your niche. If you're going to be targeting mothers who just gave birth or whatever, above 40, this might help you out right here. As you can see, I just gave you an idea. So it's up to you to, I don't know what you're doing out there, everybody, but I hope you're doing your marketing. Okay, let's check it out. Let's find a blog. Let's see what they got here. A Fit Mother program login. Okay, where you could create an account right here. I haven't been here yet. There's so many blogs. I've explored a few of them. And let me show you one more after this because I don't want to take up all your time. Let's see if they're getting traffic here. You might, I don't know if you want to use this one. It's not showing up any traffic stats or insights. So, but let's say you just want to learn something. Come over here. Fit Mother Project. That's pretty cool. So let's see. I wanted to show you this one right here because this is in the what was it? Make money online. And I seen it earlier, so I want to. Let's check it out. Of course, there's Neil Patel down here. He's one of those guys who you can learn a lot from too as well. So it was called Pro Blogging. Pro Blogger. Let's see if it'll come up here. Pro Blogger. As you can see, everybody, you already know there's a lot of people say blogs are dead, but blogs are also people's passions. So as long as people have the passion for their blog, I don't think blogging is going to fully die. I started learning this stuff a little later, and I started learning this stuff a little later because blogs came out like way, way, way back, and as long as the internet's here, blogs and forums, so there's always going to be traffic going to these. So let's see what this website is. Earn money online. Is it going to be traffic here? I don't know. This is like never been to this website, but the other website that I was looking at earlier, which I can't find it was like pro blog or something, and it was in the make money niche or niche, whatever you want to call it. So make money. Let's see, computer internet could have been right here. There's wine magazine. There's so much. There's just so much here. I mean, the best thing I would do if I were you guys is pick one or two or three, work it, find the traffic, stick around for the other videos I'm going to be making here, and yeah. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential on this findablog.net, and everything's here for pet blogs. Everybody has pets, so yeah. Just wanted to make this video for all of you out there, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. You know, no hard feelings. And hit the subscribe button and get those notifications going, because it's amping up pretty good here, and I really appreciate the fact that I'm able to do this for you to make your life a lot easier. Thank you very much. You have a good day, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Bye.